Want to change your voicemail tone on your iPhone? Customizing your voicemail greeting and tone can help personalize your experience. While you can't directly change the tone of your voicemail notification on iPhone, you can update your voicemail greeting and customize the notifications you get when a voicemail is left. Here's how you can do it. Solution 1. Change your voicemail greeting. Launch the phone app. Tap Voicemail. Tap Greeting. You'll have two options here: default or custom. Tap Custom to record your own greeting. Tap Record. Once you've finished, tap Stop and listen to your recording. If you're satisfied with the message, tap Save to set your custom voicemail greeting. Solution 2. Change voicemail notification tone indirectly. You can't directly change the sound of voicemail notifications, but you can adjust notification settings for voicemails so you're notified in a way that works best for you. Go to Settings, scroll down and select Notifications. Scroll to find Phone in the list and tap on it. Here you can adjust the alert style. Choose if you want badges or set sounds for your voicemail notifications. Tap Sounds to change the notification sound for incoming calls, including voicemails. Set New Sound. Choose from the list of sounds available. While this changes the notification sound for calls, it will indirectly affect how you're alerted to new voicemails. By following these steps, you can easily change your voicemail greeting and adjust voicemail notifications to suit your preferences. If this guide helped you out, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tips, and stay tuned for the next video.